For this graph, we're going to construct a time series chart, which is basically just a line graph where the x-axis is a unit of time, and then the y-axis counts some frequency or whatever it may be, something quantitative. So I'm selecting my data here, and we want to construct a line graph. Now, when I go into Excel and construct a line graph, we only really want one line, but if you look at the options when I go to the menu of options for line graphs, there's always two lines that are drawn, so we kind of have to do some editing. So if I go to recommended charts here, and click on that, it recommends a series of charts that would be appropriate for this data to use. And you can see this first option it recommends and the second option it recommends are both what we're looking for, having time on the x-axis and then the percentages on the y-axis here. This one's kind of nice because it's got the grids and then the dots at each particular point in time. It's kind of a nice graph. I might consider changing how it looks a little bit. It's a little easier to read. And then we just need some axis titles, so we can put this plus sign, add in those axis titles, and type those in. Y-axis is the year in time, and the y-axis here are the percentages of the GPT or GDP that come from the manufacturing sector. And that would be it.